Good morning, students. Last day we have explained you the different types of the indicator: litmus paper, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc., which help to detect the acid and base. There is one more important indicator, which is pH paper. By using the pH paper, you can detect acid and base both. In the pH paper, there is a marking is there from 0 to 14. If the acidic solution or acid, the value will come less than 7. If the value will come more than 7, then it will be the basic solution, and if it is exactly 7, then it is neutral solution. Today, some common activity I will show you how to find out the acid and base and how to detect the strong acid and strong base. Let us see. My dear students, just you see, here are two types of the litmus paper. This is red litmus paper written and this is blue litmus paper. In this blue litmus paper, I'll put on acid, it will be red in color. A red litmus paper, I'll put in base, it will be blue in color. Here you see some common, very common things I have taken. This is my lemon and this is a Patanjali utensil bar. This is Dettol soap. This is our wheel active powder. These all are the bases and this is the acid. You just see, this is the lemon. I have taken some lemon juice. I have taken. Now in the lemon juice I have put the blue litmus paper. I am putting in the lemon. You just see how the color is changing. Blue is converted to the red in color. You know the lemon juice is contain the citric acid. So acid turned blue litmus paper into red in color. Now I will show you the base. Now see, this is the Dettol soap. In the Dettol soap, I am making the solution of the soap. Some water, drops of the water I have put. Now this is a red litmus paper. This red litmus paper I am keeping over the solutions of the Dettol powder, Dettol soap over the solution I am keeping. You just see this activity. Then you see gradually the color is changing from the red to the blue. So it indicates that the soap or the detergent. Now my dear students, this is the pH paper. pH paper actually marked from 0 to 14, but in the laboratory pH paper it is marked 0 to 10.5. The value of the pH is less than 7, that is the acidic, and the value of the pH is more than 7, that is the basic, and exactly 7, then it is neutral. Try to understand. If I put this pH paper in the acidic or basic solution, then color of the pH paper will be changed. When the color of the pH paper will be changed, I will tally with this color. If it is, suppose as we move from the 7 to the 0, then this is the less acidic. As we move from this side, the acidic power will be increased, and if we move from the right hand side from the 7 to 8 to 9 to 10, then basic power will be increased, because when the acidic power will be increased due to the H plus ion concentration, and basic power will be increased due to the decrease of the H plus ion concentration. So if the strong acid, its value will be 1, 2, and if the weak acid, its value will be 5, 6, etc. If the strong base, its value will be 13, 14, weak base, its value will be 8 and 9. Let us do with the sum of the experiment. Now you see, again I am taking some lemon juice. In the lemon juice, now I'll put the pH paper. The pH paper I have put in the lemon juice. the color is changing. Now I'll compare this color. You see the color with the given table. You just see exactly it is the 2, that is lemon juice or the weak acid. Understood? Now let us do the another activity. Now some drops of the water I have taken. Now with this water I have added some particles of the wheel active powder. Wheel active powder I have added. Now I have made the solution. With this solution, now I put the pH paper. You just see pH paper how the color will be changes. You tally with the color. It is more than 10.5 actually. In this table it is not given. Is it almost it will be 13 to 14. So it is a strong base. Let us do the another activity. This is a Patanjali utensil bar. In the Patanjali utensil bar I am making the solutions. I have put the water, some drops of the water on it. Now I am pouring the litmus paper. Litmus paper, you just see how the color of the litmus paper, not pH paper, how the color is changing. So it is also a strong base. Now let us activity repeat by the Dettol soap. How much Dettol soaps are useful for our health? This is the Dettol soap solution. Again I am putting the water into the Dettol soap solution. Now the pH paper I am putting into the pH paper. You just see it is blue but not so much. Now it is tally with your pH paper scale. In the pH paper scale it will tally, it is 9. So it is a weak base. So it is good for the health. I think you have understood. Next coming days I will explain you with more good activities. Thank you.